Often used heavily over years of driving, the turn signal levers get worn down. Chrome can fade and plastic ends can crack. When it's time to replace, you'll be happy you chose us as your premium supplier. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1961 through 74 GM turn signal levers. Our levers are manufactured from a sturdy steel to give you confidence when using. We then complete the lever with an ABS plastic end just like the originals. At the end of the production line, all the levers are chrome plated to perfection and properly threaded to fit your OEM steering column. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.